You recently had an event where you talked about private flood insurance being available to Pennsylvanians as an alternative to the sometimes costly national flood insurance program. Can you talk about the alternative and the availability of the private insurance in Pennsylvania and how consumers can learn more about that?
Absolutely. Thank you for the question, Representative. Before the last couple of years, for most people in Pennsylvania, the NFIP, or the National Flood Insurance Program, was really the only place for homeowners to get flood coverage. And the NFIP subsidized many of the highest risk properties to keep premiums down. But after Hurricanes Katrina and Sandy, the NFIP was overwhelmed with claims and has fallen more than $20 billion in debt, which led Congress to pass legislation that phased out the subsidies. And so what we've seen is over the last few years, as these subsidies are being phased out, premiums are going up substantially for homeowners. And at the same time, FEMA has redrawn the flood maps and placed properties that have never experienced flooding before in flood zones, which means that people now needed flood coverage when they had never needed it before, and maybe didn't even want it in some cases. So we began looking at this issue several months ago to try to figure out if there was anything we could do to help these homeowners. And as we researched the issue further, what we learned is that with these rising NFIP premiums, some private insurers were beginning to enter the market because they could compete, where before they couldn't compete with subsidized coverage. Now that that was ending, we were starting to see them more and more interested in this market. So we spoke to consumers who ended up obtaining private policies at substantial savings over the NFIP policies, which got us thinking, we need to find a way to make sure people know about this alternative option. So we've been working, given what we learned last year, we've been working to not only facilitate the entry of additional private flood insurance options, but to make sure Pennsylvanians know that private flood insurance is an option, or may be an option for them. This coverage is sold in Pennsylvania now through both licensed and surplus lines insurers. And at this time, we know and we're aware of 5 surplus lines insurers selling, and they've written about 1,000 private policies. And we have 4 admitted insurers that currently write about 600 flood policies for homeowners. So what we did is we announced recently that we basically created a one-stop shop for information on flood insurance on our website. So we now have information about both private market options as well as NFIP insurance. We have websites, phone numbers available so consumers can reach out and kind of find out if it might be an option for them.
Great. Well, thank you, Commissioner. Also, when you mentioned that FEMA had redrew the map lines, will that allow for more homeowners to now be eligible for flood insurance? What was the purpose?
Eligible is a nice word. Essentially, if you get redrawn into a flood map, you then have to, if you've got a mortgage backed by the federal government, you then have to have flood coverage. So what we found is we talked to consumers who, because of the redrawing of the maps, all of a sudden they were in a flood zone. They'd never been in a flood zone. They'd never experienced flooding, and they were being told, they get a letter from their mortgage broker saying, you now need flood insurance. And
wow. Okay.
They didn't want it in many cases, but that was the situation.
But again, all this information pretty much is on the website, and folks can find out through that.
That's right.
Great. Well, thank you very much, Commissioner.